This is my beautiful aunt. Her hair type is a classic textbook 4C hair, very coarse. She washed her hair with iron sulfate-free shampoo and conditioned it with iron repair solution. And I specifically instructed her to wash out all the conditioner out so there are no residue left in her hair. To begin, I am spritzing Design Essentials Bamboo and Silk HCO leave-in conditioner. Then I'm sectioning off the hair so I can comb through and evenly distribute the leave-in conditioner. Using this paddle brush, I am brushing out the hair for the same purpose. Now I am applying Design Essentials Silk Essentials, just a little bit, and evenly distributing into her damp hair. Then brushing the serum equally throughout her hair. Now it's time to blow dry the hair. I've sectioned off her hair already and I'm stretching it to the direction where the air is blowing and combing down as well. And I did this all over her hair. I am applying Design Essentials Silk Essentials. Next, it's time to straighten her hair. I'm going to straighten her hair in small sections, and this is the key. Starting from the bottom, using the small tooth comb, I'm going to use the chase method to straighten her hair. Now, I'm sorry, trying to film this part was very difficult. My hand kept blocking the view and the footage became very blurry, so I had to cut a lot out. Basically, I'm creating a thin section, combing the hair out, and straighten it using the chase method. Now, is it just me? Watching curly hair get straightened is so satisfying. Just saying. Now look at this shine, ladies. The hair is light as feather, it's shiny. Finally, I'm going to cut off her dead ends and shape her hair. Basically, I'm combing all her hair down. Then starting from her left side, I'm going to cut about an inch off her ends. Look how fried her ends are. Cutting dead ends are the #1, hands down, way of growing your hair long. And this is coming from my own experience as well. Now that I've shaped up her hair, I'm picking up more sections and cutting the dead ends vertically. I learned this technique from Tiara J here on YouTube, and I'll link her video down below. Basically, by cutting your hair vertically like this, the hair falls in natural layers. And I'm using this technique for the rest of the sections. And this is the end product. Her hair looks absolutely beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thumbs up because it helps me a lot. And I'll see you in the next video. God bless you. I love you. Bye. Mwah.